He is going to make us big fans. Elizabeth and the husband were old. They could not even have hope. God revealed to them. If we continue reading, we can see that this man said, how does it? But then the angel of God told him, because he was not feeling like God can work. When you trust in the Lord, you cannot go in pain. Even though the situation is so hard, even though the storm is so big, just believe that God is able and you're going to overcome. What brings problems as we are about to overcome? You are about to overcome. Satan comes to you and make you lost. You can start saying that God has failed. You can start saying God cannot manage. Yet the grace was there to make you overcome. So we as children of God of faith, let's still trust in the Lord. The devil wants to end on touching our heads. But if we strengthen ourselves in God, our hope and salvation are in Him. God is going to make us overcome. God is going to stand up towards our name. God is going to provide. Hallelujah. Amen. Sometimes you reach money but have no any source. But you see the time as ended. But if you trust Him, He can make you bypass. For me, I gave the testimony as I was just out of the house. For sure, I had no hope of money. One hope, it was in husband. He spent 2 months Then I said, I will not even tell him. I will not even call him. By the time he called me, he could tell me other things. Because he was not a person to help me. God was waiting for me to prepare my heart. Amid this being confused that I could pack my things and go home. But when I turned to God, I prayed God for grace. Because I was hungry of this landlord. Hallelujah. Amen. But when I forgave him, I felt peace whenever I could see him. So now God revealed to me. I saw people being convicted to bring for me the money. And God made me to bypass and made me to overcome. So brethren, whenever we trust God, we cannot go in the way. Even though things are hard, even though things are heavy, you see as if they are not, God can do. So long as you trust Him. When you trust Him with your things, when you know your man and trust Him with that money, He can do upon your things. For me, I've ever collected the money for the phone. I had a small phone. But whenever I could collect it, God could tell me what to do. As it is there, I see the seeds. And then I give Him. From there, I see the curtain. I give Him. So every time I collect the money for the phone, but when the time of the phone came, someone told me, I have your 300, just hand over. I just took that man and sent it. The phone reached. Minus but she could pay it. So brethren, you trust Him with your belongings, He can make you bypass. Hallelujah. Amen. Sometimes God requests you something as a test. It may be 10 and you're having it on. Yet He's showing you so much But if you trust him with that, he knows your trust is in him. He's going to replace something bigger than that. So let's trust God with all our belongings. He's going to help for us. May God bless you.